How do I become self-employed in the UK? Video is brought to you by Google's Bookkeepers. Please do subscribe, like and share if the information is useful. First of all, you need to contact HMRC if you want to become self-employed. So you go to the website hmrc.gov.uk and there is a button on there that says register to become self-employed. There's also a phone number on there. You can phone them, but it might be just quicker for you just to fill out their online registration form. The process is that they'll then send you a 10-digit number, which is called a UTR. That stands for a unique tax reference number. And you just start trading. Simple as that. This is the process in the UK. What you must do is you must keep receipts and going forward. And that's receipts as in what income you've had coming in, so keep a record of that, and the expenses you've had going out, do keep a record of that. All expenses incurred in the course of doing business is a business expense, so always keep your receipts as proof, and you must keep them for 6 years. So the year end for HMRC, just because this is also often a point of confusion, right? The year end never changes. It is always the 5th of April every year, regardless. Now, here's an example. You started your company, or self-employment rather, on the 8th of August 2021. Your year end would be, therefore, the 5th of April 2022. You have just over 9 months to file, roughly 10 months, because you have until the 31st of January. Every year, the deadline to file your self-assessment tax return, that's when you're self-employed, when you're a sole trader, the deadline is always the 31st of January. So in this case, even though you started in 2021, your first year would be 5th of April 2022. Your deadline to file your tax return is the 31st of January 2023. Now, there's a warning I must give you. Don't get caught out. If you're late with filing your self-assessment tax return, you will be fined £100 immediately. And the fines increase until they, HMRC, the government, receive your tax return. So file it online is the easiest, simplest way, quickest way. You get an email receipt, then you know it's gone in. Never leave it till the 31st of January, as I did one year, and it just was a bit of a nightmare because the system kept crashing because me and however many hundreds of thousands of people had the same idea. So you have the best part of 9-10 months. You have from April onwards to file your return and to get it in. Just my advice, just get it in. Just don't sit on it, don't wait, just get it in and get it out of the way. Now, can I file my tax return myself? People always ask me this question, and the answer is maybe, yeah, you can. So yes, if you've got good records and you're organised, sure. The reason why it's called self-assessment is so that you assess yourself. The HMRC do make the process as easy as possible, and it's not it's not rocket science. See the whole thing, the whole process as an online questionnaire. Yes, you can file it yourself. You may want to leave it to a professional, or to have someone help you with it, or to have someone look it over with you. That's fine. But I mean, no special qualification or anything is needed. You can do this. HMRC, honestly, I don't just say this. I mean, they don't pay me, but they do make it as easy as possible. Any other questions, then please email admin@booglesltd.com. And if you enjoyed the content, please do subscribe, like and share the channel.